99.5 on the ES short, and I just got stopped on the NQ. That's not great. I am going to also be looking again at 18, right here at 18 on the NQ, and I am in on the NQ. We're going to get to even here pretty quick. We got to get back down through that RTH mid. Both the ES, I'm going to be at, hang on a second here. This NQ is moving around. I'm going to be at 33 on the NQ stop. 33 on the NQ stop. And we're going to get to even fairly quickly over there. I'm going to get to even on the ES and even now on the NQ. Let's see here. It's taking a minute. So at the hit open here, you have two sets of levels that we look at on a daily basis. We have what we call the ETH, or the overnight structure points, and then we have the RTH, or the day levels. So today, am I on the right spot here? I don't think that I am. Okay. So today, right at the open, no, that's the NQ. That's why I'm having trouble here. I want to start with the ES here. And we're going to put this on the 1 minute chart. Okay. So right at the open today, you had the RTH signal formed up right here at the open. The market opens, comes right down to the tick at 38.99, and then rallies up to 05 half 06. And so what I was doing this morning is you had the delta that was climbing here, but I don't like to trade just right out of the gate on the ES and the NQ. I don't like trading just right out of the gate. So as the market rallies up, it comes back into this level, pulls back down again, and we began to see a turn happening on the delta here. Market rallies, pulls back, makes a new low, and now the delta is really starting to turn. We came right up into this RTH signal, took the short, and it came down into this RTH target level, and that's where we ended up taking the 10-point 2-lot ES trade. And it was just very simple, right? We used our order flow tool, we used our levels, and we pulled the trigger. Now, you saw me take an initial loss on the NQ this morning. And here's the NQ. One of the things that is very good about the NQ is it adheres very, very well to the volume weighted average price in both the ETH and the RTH session. So market is rallying here at the open, and then you see the delta begin to go sideways to lower, right? And so my first trade was against this volume weighted average price. I get stuck up here on a bit premature. You saw me take that initial stop this morning on the NQ. Market rolls back down through it. Okay, market rolls back down through. I end up getting short here at this RTH mid. It comes down a little bit and then back into this volume weighted average price. The delta began to turn. That also is the zone of influence on this level. It's also the zone of influence. Market comes through and then boom, flushes all the way down to our targeting location at the RTH signal level.